As more and more organisations deploy Microsoft Lync 2013, the attraction of extending Office tools to a fully unified environment is obviously compelling. Combining instant messaging and presence with other real-time applications such as video and voice also makes a whole lot of sense, particularly when you add integration with Outlook and Active Directory. The picture, however, gets more interesting once you start to consider the whole ecosystem, which for most folks means legacy voice, i.e. ISDN, and more often than not an existing PBX. Now, depending on the status of that infrastructure, Lync is either going to enhance or replace it. Either way, this is the time to move to SIP. Putting SIP in context for a moment, as Ofcom's published figures clearly show, ISDN is very much in a decline, with SIP trunks dominating the transition to IP. So, let's remind ourselves why. First of all, cost. SIP channels are consistently less than half the price of an equivalent ISDN service, and they don't get bogged down with lots of additional ongoing charges, such as DDI rentals. Secondly, flexibility. Customers aren't limited to a minimum of 8 channels as with ISDN 30. If you need less, that's fine, and if you suddenly need lots more, they can be turned on within minutes. Try that with ISDN. And finally, DR, or business continuity. About a third of Gamma SIP trunks get provisioned in some kind of DR design, either active standby or load share, because, unlike ISDN, it's simple, effective and affordable. And all of this is relevant to Lync because, in addition to any federation services, reliable connectivity to the PSTN, i.e. to existing customers and suppliers, remains paramount. That means a Lync certified telecoms provider, and in the UK, a leading supplier of SIP trunks is Gamma. Now, in order to connect SIP natively into the Lync environment, i.e. directly into the mediation server, Gamma made the investment to participate in Microsoft's Unified Comms Open Interoperability Programme, an extensive series of tests that qualifies successful candidates to interop directly with Lync. So, Gamma were delighted to be awarded such a qualification and now rank as one of the very few UK providers in such a position. Also, being conscious that many installers of Lync will be less familiar with enterprise voice than their PBX peers, Gamma have published a comprehensive configuration guide for SIP into Lync that will ensure consistently successful installations. And for the creation of the SIP trunks themselves, channel partners simply select Lync from within Gamma's provisioning portal, and the system will automatically create a specific Lync build, and that's it. So, if you're thinking about or already have deployed Microsoft Lync, choose Gamma SIP trunks and benefit from all that Unified Communications has to offer.